It would be unconstitutional if the Senate dismisses the impeachment complaint filed by the House President Sara Duterte through a resolution without holding a trial. That's according to a member of the House who issued the statement after Senator Amy Marcos confirmed that there are several draft resolutions seeking to dismiss the articles of impeachment against Duterte.
The Constitution, ang trabaho ng Senate is to hear. Diba? And, sa amin naman is to prosecute. So, hindi ko naiisip kung paano nila i-dismiss yan without first conducting the trial. And that is their constitutional mandate. Well, for me, that is unconstitutional. They have to explain.
Adds, convening as an impeachment court is a constitutional mandate of the Senate after it receives the articles of impeachment and should not be subject to a vote by the Senate plenary.
Their legislative function, that is their constitutional duty. Matik yun eh. Dahil nasa Constitution yun eh. Dapat
Another House prosecutor, Representative Jervil Luistro, says there is no mention at all of dismissal of articles of impeachment in the Constitution, which means it is mandatory that the Senate conduct a trial and decide on whether to acquit or lawmakers from the Makabayan bloc. It would be unacceptable for the Senate to adopt the alleged draft resolutions of impeachment against Duterte, saying it is tantamount to absolving her from the allegation.
Naman na gawin yan ng Senado sa ngayon. Ang umiingay na panawagan ngayon ay put the Vice President.
Sobrang nakakahiya bilang isang Pilipino na may ganito tayong mga senador na nag-a-attempt na i-dismiss na lang yung articles of impeachment.
ML Party List Representative-elect Laila De Lima hopes a senator will move to counter the draft resolution.
That as a senator, one of the members would also file a counter motion. This time, ang motion is that to immediately convene as an...
Several congressmen also denied insinuations that their position on Duterte is dictated by House Speaker Martin Romualdez. Amid the clamor for the Senate to begin Duterte's impeachment trial, Senate President Francis Escudero said it is not the Senate Speaker, like several members of the lower chamber.
Tila nasasanay na diktahan ang Senado kaugnay sa gusto nilang mangyari sa impeachment. Pues kung trabaho ng ilang mambabatas na maging sunod-sunuran kay Speaker Romualdez na gusto, klaro, itong impeachment na ito, hindi namin trabaho yan sa Senado. Hindi ko rin trabaho yan bilang tagapangulo ng Senado.